Hi, my friend Rohit and I, Vinay, have developed this project. This is an interactive learning tool which will help students to understand how AI interpret images. So this is the first homepage and in which there are four things. First is image acquisition, that how the AI will take the image and break it into pixels. So we will explore step by step. Everything is written for the students. They can read and understand what will happen, and then they will click on start exploring this first one, which is image acquisition. Now here what to do is written in this instructional box. This is the original image and this is the numerical representation of that image, where 0 means the dark one and 255 shows the brightness, the bright pixel, which is white. So यहाँ पे the student can click on highlight and he can understand that how the image is converting into numerical grid. Now next, यहाँ पे what you have to do is written in this box. Here a student can manually enter the number in the box to see the change in this grid box. Let's suppose here's tab 255. So here it has changed to white color. Now again, let's say you can type any number to get that shade. We can randomize the grid, so we will have different numbers and different images. You can fill mid gray to see the colors. In next, student has to spot a shape. So as this is a 50 and others are 255, so students have to see that what pattern it's depicting. Another highlighting pattern will highlight it for better understanding. Click on show another shape. So we have a different shapes. Now this is the numerical grid of the image. Let's say the word is A. So where it will match, we can compare. Another for B, C. So that's how it stored and students will be able to do it manually. Next one is color. So they can read here how the AI stores colors. There are 3 scales RGB and it's a combination of 3 pixels in them: red, green and blue. Each color is made up of these pixels. So after combining these, the color can be produced. So this exercise is the image. So here they can see the image and they can show the pixel grid, that how it's stored. This every section, the red color, black color, this is the pixel. So after that there will be a final exercise where they have to answer the questions. I have just clicked randomly and submit the answer. Thank you.